Hey guys, it's AT here, as you know, and this is my brother Paul. So as you know, we're going to start doing an episode, and this is episode 1 of Water Balloon Battle. So the rules are, there are 30 water balloons right now, and whoever hits that person with more water balloons wins.
All the memories and all the days we've spent together. You feel it's over soon, too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding.
Has to get a bucket of ice water dumped on their head. I hope I win. And the winner is... Let's go! And we're back with the loser, Zach, getting a bottle of ice water dumped on his head. One question before we do this. How do you feel about getting ice water dumped on your head?
Cold.